guys, this week I'm going to use this as a I use this tool episode, but it's going to be a little bit unorthodox. It's not like a tool, it's more like a place, and that would be the junkyard, the scrap yard, the salvage yard, where cars go to die. It's an awesome resource. You guys go to check local. I mean, in where I am, I have like, I want to say there's two that are pretty close. One is just a couple minutes from my house and the shop, which is awesome. That's where we're going right now. I am only looking for a couple of pieces of radiator hoses. See if I can make some radiator hoses for a job that I'm working on. That I can't look up by application. Which might be tough because they probably chop a lot of them when they pull the engines and shit out, but whatever, we'll just, I only need like a couple bends. Should be alright. We're in the belly. We're in the belly of the yard. Just want to show you guys quick. On my new truck I bought, I cut this piece of this bed out of this one to make an access panel for my fuel pump, and I was able to paint it and use riv nuts to cover the hole. And then also what I was able to grab from these guys was a bed liner out of this truck. I was able to make a nice form-fitting cover and then put a nice bed liner in it, and it cost me like 50 bucks. Another junkyard score, man. I love trains. I don't know why. Probably something to do with a million foot-pounds of torque. And the horn. The train horn never gets old. I just missed it on video. A couple of mutilated Fox bodies here, but look at these strut towers. They're super solid. I don't know what the rest of the story is, but it's not looking too good for a comeback. This one's all cut right up bad. A little convertible. Look at those strut towers. Holy crap, they're freaking gone, dude. Yikes. I am severely striking out here on my radiator hose hunt, but there's still, I've only gone through maybe a quarter of what's here, so I'm gonna keep going. Having fun anyways, right? This is easy. I didn't know that the hoods on these Mustangs were fiberglass. That's pretty cool. Oh, and a bird nest. Okay, 24 action from a Honda dudes. If you guys go way back on my channel, you'll see a bunch of Honda shit like 10 years ago, going 10s on 93 octane with no methanol, no water meth, and just street tuning on the highway with like a chip burner and an ostrich and whatever the hell else I used to use. But I thought this was cool. Somebody took just the like door skin off of this so you can see how like the window track goes up and down. It's pretty neat. Guys, 97 to like '06 or something. Honda CRVs came with a fold-up picnic table in the back. And this one has it in there still. It's pretty cool. But you didn't know that, did you? Check that shit out. Have your lunch. It's actually pretty good quality too. Also, useful Junkyard info is you could take cool badges off of newer cars like this and put them on your hot rods that breathe smoke and shoot fire. I think this row is like stuff they might be saving or something, but these guys have the 8.8 rear in them with disc brakes, and if you get like a 98 to 2001 model, they're 31 spline, which is really tough. And you could get down into, you could put 1,000 horsepower through that thing for like 250 bucks, weld your own mounts on it, your own brackets, and send it. I did find a hose. I needed something with a lot of squiggles in it. Try to make something happen with that. I actually needed more than one, but kind of throwing in the towel today. It's getting hot, and I'm gonna get back to the shop for a little bit. Okay guys, we are back, and I got those radiator hoses made up on the S10, which is coming together here. We're getting close to I gotta do a downpipe still, but we're getting there as far as fabrication stuff goes. So that's my video, you guys, for I use this tool. We went to the Junkyard. It's a great tool. They always have tons of shit there. That's awesome. Plus it just feels good to just walk around, man. Something about being among all those cars that have all those miles and probably have all those stories, and getting to pick and pull stuff off them and give it new life. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.